We all know what a big impact our health and well-being have on our overall quality of life. But as we get older, our priorities tend to shift, making it difficult to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Today, Alex is joining me to help explain how we can prioritise our health, specifically our muscle health, so that we can live healthier and feel great. Alex, great to see you.
Great to see you. Hey, Jamie.
Okay, just how important are our muscles when it comes to our overall health?
Well, our muscles are very important for everyday tasks and become even more important as we get older.
Right.
Now, we all lose muscle mass as we get older. In fact, after the age of 40, we lose around 8% of muscle mass per year.
8%, wow. I didn't know that. How can we tell if we have lost muscle mass and we aren't quite as strong as we used to be?
Well, I can show you one easy and quick way to see how strong your muscles are now.
Okay.
Now, we're about to do a chair to stand test. Now, the goal is to test the strength of your lower limbs. You want to go from sitting to standing 5 times as quickly and safely as you can. First, you need to choose an appropriate chair. And now, when you do this at home, place it back against the wall and put your feet on the ground.
Right.
Start with your arms folded and
Yeah.
go from sitting to standing.
Okay.
Maybe a good idea to get a partner, as you need to time yourself.
Okay.
And I'll start when you say go,
Oh,
Jamie.
hold on. I'll give him a five. Am I going to time you?
Time me and
Okay.
stop when I've done the 5th one.
You ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go, Alex.
1,
You count it out.
2,
Good.
3,
Yeah.
4,
Keep it going.
5.
Okay.
Now,
stop
what
it on
was
there.
my time?
You're around 8 seconds.
Oh.
Is that good?
Well, if viewers at home took more than 15 seconds, they might like to speak to their healthcare professional and consider some steps to slow down the muscle loss and improve their muscle strength.
I reckon you could have done it quicker. You were good, though. You were good.
Best not to wear heels.
Now, some people might be surprised at how difficult that test can actually be.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything we can do to increase our strength and help maintain muscle mass?
Well, you can build muscle strength with resistance exercises. For example, with weights, resistance bands or body weight exercises. It also helps to follow a balanced diet, including adequate protein for muscle strength. But if you find it difficult to get all the nutrients you need from food alone, give Ensure a try.
Okay, now talk to us about what Ensure is.
Well, Ensure is a complete and balanced health shake with 28 essential vitamins and minerals. Now, it contains high-quality protein for muscle and tissue repair, calcium for bone health, and vitamin D to support normal muscle function.
Yeah, very good. Is this only good, though, for people who are already concerned about their current muscle mass?
Well, you don't have to be concerned about your current muscle mass to use Ensure. Ensure can be used as a way to support existing muscle mass and to prevent muscle loss in the future when combined with a healthy diet and exercise.
Yeah, very good. Now, I see you've got chocolate, you've got vanilla and neutral. Exactly. What does neutral taste like?
Neutral has a pleasant taste. It's neither sweet or savoury, which makes it the perfect addition to all kinds of meals, Jamie.
Yeah, great. Now, what types of meals could you add Ensure to there?
Well, Ensure is very versatile. It can be added to breakfast, lunch or dinner recipes. The chocolate and vanilla flavours work really well in sweeter dishes like muffins, and the neutral flavour works well in both sweet and savoury dishes like scrambled eggs.
Sounds fantastic. Now, where can people go if they want more information or if they want to give Ensure a try?
Well, to order a free sample sachet of Ensure and for more information, head to ensure.com.au or you can purchase Ensure powder from quality pharmacies.
Sounds fantastic. Thanks for coming in, Alex.
Thanks, Jamie.
Well, there you go. For a convenient source of complete balanced nutrition to help keep you strong, make sure you try Ensure today. Now, you can get your free sample at the website ensure.com.au or you can find it at quality pharmacies.